you like chocolate? All the kids, including me, like chocolate. You might be wondering, why am I asking about chocolate and why am I showing you pictures of chocolates? The reason is simple. The book I have read and like to present to you all is none other than the book titled Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. This is me, Steve Matthew from grade 2H CBC section. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. I'm extremely happy to avail this platform. Let me give you a brief introduction about the author. Roald Dahl was a famous British author who got popular with his many works. He was born in 1916 in Wales. He's one of the most interesting children authors, and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was sold in 13 million copies. I love this book most because it's filled with humor and fun moments. I never felt boring while reading this book. There are 4 naughty children who get into mischief, which is shown in a very funny way. Among them, I like the character of Charlie. Now it's going to be all about the characters. I am Charlie Bucket, the main character of this novel, who is kind, thoughtful, full of understanding and noble. I respect my parents and love them. My parents, the Bucket family, took care of me, and Grandpa Joe was the oldest one of all of them. And Mr. Willy Wonka is the owner of the chocolate factory, and Augustus Gloop is the first finder of the golden ticket. And Veruca Salt is the second finder of the golden ticket. And Violet is the third finder of the golden ticket. And Mike TV is the fourth finder of the golden ticket. And Oompa Loompas, Wonka's employees. Now here we go with the main content of the novel. This novel is about a young boy named Charlie who lives a very poor life. He learns that there is a contest which requires a person to buy a Willy Wonka chocolate bar and then to find a golden ticket. There are 5 of these worldwide, and Charlie finds one of the tickets in his chocolate bar and then gets invited along with the other 4 children, alongside winning a lifetime supply of Wonka's chocolate bar. Wonka announces that there will be a special winner who will win a special prize at the end of the tour. As they walk into the factory, each character's flawless temptation leads them into giving temptation and taken away the Oompa Loompas, except for Charlie, whose willpower is stronger than any other character. As each character is taken away in comical, mysterious, or sometimes even painful ways. As Augustus Gloop gets lured into the chocolate lake and accidentally gets stuck. And Veruca Salt, who gets attacked by Squirrel and thrown in the garbage chute. And Violet, who turns into a giant blueberry after giving the temptation of trying the stick of gum from Wonka. And Mike TV, who gets shrunken by the TVs. And Charlie is the only remaining child. And Mr. Willy Wonka names him the factory successor and invites his family to come and live with him in the chocolate factory. I absolutely love this book because it teaches me not to be materialistic and get caught up in my own life. It allows for imagination and creativity to flow through the form of fun adventures. It's beautifully written and shares many morals which we can learn. I'd like to share with you some morals which I have learned. 1. If you can dream it, you can make it. Nothing is impossible. The factory is the result of dreaming big and thinking outside the box. Number 2. The world doesn't revolve around you and greed is unattractive. Number 3. The best thing in life are worth waiting for. Just like the other 4 children touring the factory, Charlie shows patience and takes time to marvel at and enjoy each and every invention and room in Wonka's Chocolate Factory. I thank you all once again.